To check your Cheesecake Factory gift card balance, you can follow these simple steps. First, online. Open your preferred browser and visit the Cheesecake Factory's gift card website. Enter your card number and PIN in the designated spaces. Verify the details, and tap the Check Balance button. You will then be prompted to prove you're not a robot to proceed, after which you will receive your gift card balance. Alternatively, you can check your balance over the phone by dialing the Cheesecake Factory gift card hotline. Once connected, request the customer care representative to assist you in checking your gift card balance. Provide the requested information, and wait to receive your balance. You can also check your balance in person by visiting your local Cheesecake Factory, presenting your gift card to the cashier, and asking them to scan it and check the balance. If the scanner is not working, you can provide your gift card information and wait to receive your balance. By following these steps, you can easily check your Cheesecake Factory gift card balance.